Welcome again to how to take amazing photographs with your mobile device. In this lesson we are going to talk about composition. In the next few lessons we are going to talk about some of the most common rules of composition, such as rule of thirds, diagonals and guiding lines, as well as how to choose interesting perspective for our photographs. Composition is basically the way we arrange our subject in the picture we are going to create. When talking about composition, we are talking how the main subject is placed in relation to the other things that we have in the picture. When composing an image, we need to consider carefully every single thing that is going to be in the picture. Then we see how everything is relating to the main subject of the photo, and if there is something that moves the attention of the viewer away from the main subject. If there is such a thing or object, we need to think about how we can change its location or if we can remove it from the image. There is nothing worse than a good image with no clear subject. The eye is getting distracted and the viewer is going to quickly move to the next image if the subject is not easily recognizable. Have in mind that human eye tends to seek the contrast, so put the main subject of the photograph in a high contrast part of the image. Movement is also something that takes the attention of the viewer. If the subject is moving and everything else stays still, the person watching the photograph is going to focus on the subject right away. In conclusion, our cameras are good enough to know what shutter speed to use and how to expose correctly the image most of the time, but they can't compose it. That is the reason why composition is so important. We are the ones that need to choose what goes where in our photos. Exercise. Get your camera and try to take some photos of the same subject, changing only the composition of the photo. Try to see what catches your eye and what takes your attention away from the subject in the photo.